Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing what's in my pencil case. This is a pencil case I just bought from Miniso, and I attached this cute little cat keychain I got from Target a couple years ago. The first things I have in here are two Kurotoga mechanical pencils. These are my favorite mechanical pencils to use because the engine rotates so that the lead in your pencil will always stay sharp. Next up, I have a high polymer eraser. This eraser works really well and I've been using the same brand for many years. Next up, I have a Muji ballpoint pen. I don't love these pens and wouldn't really recommend them, but I had bought a whole pack and I'm just trying to use them up. I prefer gel pens, so I just use these when I want to jot something down really quickly or do some scratch work. Next I have the Cap gel pens from Muji. I really like these pens and use them a lot for both taking notes and journaling. I like to carry around both the 0.38 and 0.5 pens. Next is the Tombow correction tape. This is my favorite brand for correction tape because others have applicators that scratch off the whiteout and just don't work very well. Next I have a yellow mildliner and a yellow gel pen from Muji. I try to carry around just one highlighter and one colored pen so I don't have too many things in my pencil case. I usually switch out the colors every week. Next I have this white Sakura Jelly Roll pen. I like using white pens to add details to my bullet journal. Next is just some lead for my mechanical pencils. Next I have this 0.38 Uniball Jetstream pen. This pen is really thin, so it's perfect for when I need to write really tiny or squish my notes onto the page. I also like to carry around a couple brush pens for writing headers on my notes or lettering in my bullet journal. This first one is a Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. This other brush pen is one from Zebra. That's everything I like to carry in my pencil case. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.